What is the last digit of the number 729 raised to 59? Now this gets converted to basically 9 raised to 59 because the most important number here is the unit digit, that is 9. So basically we have to find out the last digit of 9 raised to 59. Now, if you find a pattern in the powers of 9, you will observe that 9 raised to odd powers always end with 9 and 9 raised to even powers always end with 1. Now, because 59 is an odd number, we can easily conclude that the units digit or the last digit of this number will end with 9, and that hence that is your answer.